Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Data visualization. Introduction to data visualization. Data visualization is the process of representing data in a visual format such as charts, graphs, and maps. The goal of data visualization is to make it easier to understand and interpret complex data by presenting it in a clear and concise way. There are many benefits to using data visualization, including 1. Improved comprehension. Data visualization can help people understand complex data more easily by presenting it in a visual format that is easy to interpret. 2. Enhanced analysis. Data visualization can help people identify patterns, trends, and outliers in data that might not be apparent when looking at raw numbers. 3. Better decision-making. Data visualization can help people make more informed decisions by presenting data in a way that is easy to understand and visually appealing. 4. Increased engagement. Data visualization can help people engage with data in a more meaningful way by making it more interesting and engaging. There are many different types of data visualization techniques, including 1. Charts and graphs. Charts and graphs are the most common type of data visualization. They include bar charts, line graphs, scatter plots, and pie charts. 2. Maps. Maps are a type of data visualization that can be used to show geographic data such as population density or weather patterns. 3. Infographics. Infographics are a type of data visualization that combines text and graphics to present complex information in a visually appealing way. 4. Dashboards. Dashboards are a type of data visualization that displays multiple charts and graphs on a single screen, allowing users to see a summary of data at a glance. The choice of data visualization technique will depend on the type of data being presented and the audience for the visualization. The goal of data visualization is to make data more accessible and understandable to a wide range of people, so it is important to choose a technique that is both effective and engaging. Data visualization tools and techniques, Tableau, D3.js, etc. There are many data visualization tools and techniques available, ranging from simple charting tools to more advanced interactive visualizations. Some popular data visualization tools and techniques include 1. Tableau. Tableau is a popular data visualization tool that allows users to create interactive dashboards and visualizations without needing to write code. It has a user-friendly interface and supports a wide range of data sources. 2. D3.js. D3.js is a JavaScript library for creating interactive and dynamic data visualizations on the web. It allows users to create custom visualizations using HTML, CSS, and SVG. 3. Power BI. Power BI is a data visualization and business intelligence tool that allows users to create interactive reports and dashboards. It is integrated with Microsoft Office and supports a wide range of data sources. 4. ggplot2. ggplot2 is a data visualization library for the R programming language. It allows users to create a wide range of charts and graphs using a simple syntax. 5. Matplotlib. Matplotlib is a data visualization library for Python that allows users to create a wide range of static and interactive visualizations. It is widely used in scientific computing and data analysis. 6. Excel. Excel is a popular spreadsheet program that includes a range of charting and graphing tools. While it is not as powerful as some other data visualization tools, it is widely used in business and finance. The choice of data visualization tool will depend on the specific needs of the user and the type of data being visualized. Some tools may be better suited for creating simple charts and graphs, while others may be better suited for creating complex interactive visualizations. It is important to choose a tool that is both effective and user-friendly, and that can support the specific data sources and formats required. Data visualization best practices. Here are some best practices to follow when creating data visualizations. 1. Know your audience. Before creating a visualization, understand who the audience is and what they want to see. Visualizations should be tailored to the needs and preferences of the audience. 2. Choose the right chart type. Choose the right chart type for the data being visualized. Bar charts are best for comparing values, line charts are best for showing trends, and pie charts are best for showing proportions. 3. Keep it simple, avoid clutter and keep the visualization simple. Use clear labels and avoid unnecessary elements that can distract from the main message. 4. Use color effectively, use color to highlight important information and make the visualization more visually appealing. However, be careful not to use too many colors, as this can make the visualization overwhelming. 5. Tell a story, use the visualization to tell a story and communicate a message. Start with a clear title and use annotations and captions to guide the audience through the visualization. 6. Test and iterate, test the visualization with a small group of users before sharing it widely. Iterate on the design based on feedback and adjust the visualization as needed. 7. Use accessibility best practices, make sure the visualization is accessible to all users, including those with disabilities. This includes using high contrast colors, alt tags for images, and avoiding the use of color as the sole means of conveying information. By following these best practices, you can create effective and engaging data visualizations that effectively communicate insights to your audience.